Hi there, it's me Thorax from imvu.com. It's been a while I haven't done any tutorials for you guys. I was very busy doing some private stuff. So today I'm going to do another tutorial for you guys. Recently one of my friends asked me how to resize a mesh. At that time even I don't know how to do that. So I was figuring out how to do that, and at last I was able to do that. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So now you have seen the product that I'm going to use. This is a tail. So I will try to shrink this. Let me open this first. So this is the tail, and I'm going to show you how we can shrink this or resize it, make it smaller. So what you need to do is you have to go to assets. I think it is asset now. Okay, you have to go to debug and then debug 2, and from there actually I don't remember now. Sorry. Yeah, this is the so it is saying model mesh scalar. I don't know, scale res. So what you have to do is change these numbers. Override. Okay, you have to click over where. Why it's not coming? Oh my god. Actually, the thing is, the pop-up window came to my other window, which is not showing. Let me try to bring it. Okay, anyways, when you click it, it will pop up a new window. So it says 0.8, you can try 0.4. Everything just override for 0.4. So it's now 0.4. I think the y coordinate we shouldn't change. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's done perfectly. So that's how you can resize. I think we can even make it bigger. I haven't tried. Anyways, that's how to resize. You can make it more smaller. Just click it and go to edit. I'll try 2 this time. And once you type all the numbers, just apply changes. Oh, that's really tiny. Okay, I hope this will help. So remember that it will be on the debug tab, and it might be on debug 1 or debug 2, but you have to find this model mesh scaler. Okay, thank you everyone.